As a newly launched cryptocurrency built on Ethereum blockchain, YEARN Finance is also known as YEARN for aggregation of yield farming. Officially launched on July 17, 2020, by Ander Cronje, YEARN Finance happens to be one of the most precious decentralized finance coins. It is also known to be a platform that maximizes revenue earned through digital assets by yield farming. Check this overview before we start with detailed YFI price prediction. More popular as the token YEARN, YEARN Finance has a growing fan following with an objective to maximize annual percentage yields and is also renowned as APY for its prestigious users. Known for holding the recognition for a prestigious decentralized project, YEARN Finance tokens are utilized by users as USDC, USDT, and IDA, while executing various transactions like depositing funds, etc. With the help of YFI tokens. Users can also earn lending fees as well as trading fees. Under the umbrella of YEARN, a multitude of stable coins get support viz. DAI, USDC, USDT, TUSD, and CUSD, and they are also moved among multiple supported DeFi protocols like Compound, OV, DOIDEX, and Curve, on the basis of which asset pool is offering the highest yield. Hence, we can encompass various activities of YEARN Finance, with the most prominent ones being one of a profit-switching lender to augment lending yields, acting as a facilitator for stablecoin trades, zero capital automated liquidator for OV, and that of creating vaults for borrowing and lending needs related to smart contracts. The key categories to choose above categories are segmented under Earn, ZAP, APR, and Vaults. It can be underlined that YEARN Finance as a platform acts as a catalyst to promote stablecoins via lending and borrowing through Curve Finance, and at the same time optimizing pool liquidity with digital assets. Worth mentioning is that the above entire ecospace of DeFi by YEARN is managed efficiently and effectively. The YFI token plays a key role here. Currently, this digital coin price is around $21,565.58, with a market cap of $790 million. Even though placed in a highly volatile world of crypto assets, favorable factors like tight security protocols and an advanced algorithm play a pivotal role in influencing investments as well as YEARN Finance price prediction. The primary objective of the YFI team has been to ensure transparency and, at the same time, privacy. All these factors constitute investment advice by top brokers as well as experts. Founded recently in February 2020, YEARN Finance has had a great team of dedicated professionals who are experts in the cryptocurrency market. The past year proved phenomenally positive for YEARN Finance despite the effects of the pandemic. Although the coin slowed a bit in the second half of the year gone by, it picked up a great push, ending the year 2020 with massive gain. Since then, there has been no looking back for YEARN Finance as it maintained a price of $29,730 throughout as per the latest news. The 5 years long forecast is given below that depicts the YFI portfolio of risk as well as forecast investment scenario. For crypto market analysis, based on daily chart and market news giving rise and fall of YEARN Finance DeFi token all-time high price. YEARN Finance latest news. YEARN Finance enjoys 80% rally in the last week, but there is more to YFI than this. The crypto market has been in flux for the last couple of weeks with upticks and downticks, making a presence every now and then. However, the last 6 days have been very fruitful for the market as not only did the total market capitalization rise to $1.074 trillion, but altcoins like to YEARN Finance, YFI, also benefited from the same. The altcoin had been suffering to break past the bearishness that it began experiencing in May, but the gradual incline was not significant enough to pull YFI out of the bear's dominance. However, that changed this week after YFI leveraged the broader market cues and recovered not only the losses it witnessed in June, but also a chunk of its drawdown from May. The 78.49% rally that YFI witnessed in the last few days placed the altcoin above the $10,000 mark to trade at $11,003, the highest price level it has noted since May this year. This came as a surprise to retail investors as well as whales, and the latter did not waste a second in making their hype evident, fluctuating every now and then. The total whale transaction volume on average remained at a low of $4 million to $6 million. In this week, however, the same shot up by more than 392% to reach $24 million as of 30 July. Ethereum-based lending and borrowing platforms YEARN Bank, YEARN Finance and Homura joined Layer 2 network Optimism on Tuesday. The firms joined the protocol to improve cross-chain interoperability, security, and capital efficiency for their users. Optimism users will now be able to borrow against their crypto assets, while benefiting from competitive gas fees, attractive rewards, and yield options. Decentralized finance, DeFi, refers to financial activities carried out on a blockchain without the use of third parties, while Layer 2 is the system built on top of blockchains in order to process more data. By launching on Optimism, we aim to make DeFi more accessible, scalable, and reliable as the protocol-to-protocol liquidity backbone, explained Puff, lead contributor to the YEARN Bank, in a statement to CoinDesk. In recent months, Optimism has become one of the most used Layer 2 platforms due to its speed and low user fees. Data shows that applications built on the network locked over $320 million worth of cryptocurrencies in January 2022, which has increased to over $1 billion as of Tuesday. Ethereum fees become prohibitively expensive for users during times of high network demand, with network fees touching as much as $9,000 per transaction during one such period earlier this year. This is why building on networks like Optimism allows DeFi projects to be more accessible to users, explained Dark Ghosty, integrations lead of YEARN Finance. We're excited about Optimism for the users who were priced out of iVaults on Ethereum, he said. With the additional liquidity flexibility that YEARN Bank provides as a protocol-to-protocol lending partner, people can get the best risk-adjusted yield in DeFi without having to worry about high gas costs on a super-fast chain. YEARN Bank said it would initially start to offer rewards for users that supply weighted Ether, though ETH, USDC, and DAI assets, with approximately 11,500 YEARN Bank IB tokens allocated for rewards over the next 4 weeks. Additionally, YEARN Bank has initiated a bug bounty and insurance campaign with Immunify and Nexus Mutual. The campaign will focus on the prevention of potential exploits against user funds, assets, and data breach vulnerabilities. YEARN Finance Price Predictions 2022. The MoFi trend has been quite aggressive, leading to a very optimistic path. The coin may grow in leaps and bounds, especially for alliances. New partnerships would bring YFI to the limelight, making it the center stage for investments and a socially esteemed cryptocurrency. In the world of cryptocurrencies like YFI, there could be forecasts of miracles. There could be magic in the short term too. Based on news updates, it would not be an exaggeration that this priced cryptocurrency might break all the barriers and withstand the test of time, scaling above its previous all-time high. With a bit of patience and keeping the hopes high in the long-term prices, investors can expect a turnaround time by the end of 2025, as the adoption of YFI would grow exponentially by when it would no more a naive entrant in the world of cryptocurrencies, but a seasoned player. The functionality of a cryptocurrency defines its prices and not its epic origin. Let's look at the cryptocurrency price predictions by which traders can make a proper decision to buy YEARN Finance. Considering there are no sudden jolts or a stony path ahead for cryptocurrency markets, YFI is all set to affirm its strong position as a major attraction among its investor community. The road ahead is full of pedals provided the investor confidence keeps booming, resulting in a major push to the price, taking it to cross all barriers, scaling $28,910.64. Should you buy now? Yes, indeed. YFI is a good investment option in the crypto market. YEARN Finance runs on the Ethereum blockchain that allows users to optimize their earnings on crypto assets. With a well-thought roadmap and vision, YFI is set to make a radical difference to the entire cryptocurrency world. It might break all barriers to remaining favorite crypto on the crypto exchange. If you are considering investing in cryptocurrency tokens, we recommend that you always do your own research. Look at the latest market trends, news, technical and fundamental analysis, and expert opinion before making any investment decision. Keep in mind that past performance is no guarantee of future returns, and never trade with money that you cannot afford to lose. Now, thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.